So this is a urban power bank. So today we are going to see what exactly is inside this power bank. So this power bank is actually swollen because of overcharging. So I'm trying to open it up without trying to just put apart. Okay, so this is beautiful. So this is just okay. It's showing me some light when it's working. I didn't know it's working, but these are swollen. This may explode anytime. So I think that we should remove them and replace them with some else. Okay, what is this? I don't know what is this. What kind of batteries are this? This is very risky. So we will just separate them, just remove them. We'll see if we can replace these batteries with some other batteries. They've got some quick shoulder over there. See how these cheap batteries are used, and this is very dangerous because they were literally swollen because of overcharging, and they may actually explode anytime. So you're carrying actually a small bomb in your bag. If this catches a fire, it will not stop. That's why power banks are not allowed in flights. They don't allow you to carry power banks. This is very dangerous stuff here. Means look at that. What is this? How does this work? I don't know if I can stab it or it will catch on fire. Okay, so we are removing it. Oh, got done. This is very ridiculous. What is this? Lithium polymer cell battery should Shenzhen battery 3.7 5000 mAh. Oh my god, how is this possible? I don't know. And this is same thing. Something is written, something is there. This Chinese people can make anything. This is some sort of glue. This is its heat sink. Oh my god, I can't believe it. This is a heat sink paste. Actually, I don't know will it really help. So this is, let's see if we can cut them open. Okay, so I should tell you that this is quite dangerous thing because these things catch fire if you stab them. So this is quite a risky job doing here inside your home. You should not try it at home. You should try it in a well ventilated area. So yeah, I can smell something. Once I cut it, I could smell something. It's smelling disgusting. I don't know what it is. What on earth is this? Yeah, it's smelling disgusting. What? What is this? How do you store current electricity in this? Oh my god, it's smelling disgusting. I can't. Okay, I can't take it. It's smelling too much. Let me wear a mask. Okay, I'm here with a mask. How on the earth are they storing electricity in this sheet of paper, man? I'm not able to understand. It's still stinking. Look at that. What is this here? What is this? I don't understand. How you can store current electricity in this thing? If anyone knows, please tell me. And my god, it's smelling so much disgusting. How on earth are you storing 10,000 mAh in this piece of paper? This is literally paper. I don't know what it is, but it is smelling terrible. Now I can't take it. Even inside the mask I can't take it. So I'm gonna dispose it off. Thanks for watching. Please press a like button, and if you know what this thing is, please do tell me. This is magic for me. This is magic. Goddamn magic. It's just a sheet paper roll inside a battery. Please press thumbs up. Thanks for watching. This has started smelling like anything. I can't take it anymore. Thanks for watching. Please press subscribe. Thanks. Good day.